Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Veda Life, where we talk about the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda and try find some helpful tips for our daily life. In today's video, we will talk about arthritis and cause of it too according to Ayurveda. Often people wonder why they having this issue, what is the cause of it, and how they can get some help by using some home remedies so they don't have to be dependent on chemically made painkillers every day. In this video, I'm going to talk about few common causes of arthritis and their remedies according to Ayurveda. According to Ayurveda, arthritis known as Sandhivata is primarily caused by imbalance of the Vata dosa. Sandhi means joints and Vata means air. Vata dosa governs all the movements in our body, and it is responsible for the proper functioning of joints and muscles. When Vata becomes aggravated due to factors such as cold weather, dryness, stress, or poor digestion, it can accumulate in the joints, leading to inflammation, pain, and stiffness. Poor digestion can lead the accumulation of undigested particles and toxins in the body. Toxins tends to accumulate in the joints, causing inflammation and impairing their function. Over time, this can lead to arthritis. To avoid having low digestive fire, remember not to drink any water with your food, as it dilutes all the digestive juices if you drink lots of water with your meal. Ayurveda home remedies for arthritis focus on reducing inflammation, balancing Vata dosa, strengthening the digestive fire, and detoxifying the body. So, the first home remedy according to Ayurveda is ginger and turmeric tea. Both ginger and turmeric have a potent anti-inflammatory properties. You can boil some fresh ginger and turmeric root in water to make a soothing tea and drink it regularly to reduce joint pain. Massaging the affected joints with warm sesame oil helps improve circulation, reduce stiffness. Sesame oil is rich in nutrients and has warming properties that are beneficial for Vata imbalance. Mustard oil and garlic combination is the best for joint pain. It is easy to make and very effective as well. You can get about 100 ml mustard oil and fry about 4 cloves of garlic in it until they turn brown or shrink. You can use this oil every day on your muscles and joints. Both mustard and garlic are very good anti-inflammatory and very effective in reducing joint and muscle pain. Yoga and meditation is also very helpful if you're having any sort of joint pains. Doing lots of yoga that involve gentle joint movements to improve your circulation. Do some breathing exercise and meditation to balance Vata in your body. According to Ayurveda, you can use many herbs that are anti-inflammatory herbs such as ashwagandha, guggul, and salaki. These herbs help reduce joint pains, inflammation, and support overall joint health when consumed regularly. Consuming triphala powder with warm water before bedtime helps improve digestion, detoxify the body, and reduce inflammation. Triphala contains 3 fruits which have rejuvenating and cleansing properties. Dietary modification is also very important. Follow an anti-inflammatory diet, fresh fruits, vegetables. Eat food that are in season. Drink lots of warm water and avoid cold water with ice. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, stress management techniques can complement Ayurvedic remedies in managing arthritis symptoms effectively. I hope you find this video helpful in some ways. I wish you will be success in your healing journey. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so I can bring more informative Ayurveda video and home remedies. Until then, you may all be well and healthy.